Sonam, just a couple of minutes. Okay, we got to get on with the show. We've got quite a few awards, and so let me ask you: is it okay if I ask Sonam a couple of questions? Yeah. Yeah. Say good evening.
Good evening, everybody.
What a well-brought-up child she is, isn't she? What a darling girl. Sonam, you know, I have a bone to pick. You know, as actors, when we get into the studio, the costume designers have to do a great job, but everything is so wonderful and real. The only problem is that they gave us fake accessories to wear. Like I get a fake gold Rolex watch for the shoot. They don't give us a real one. Okay? You sometimes have to wear fake jewelry. Is that right?
Absolutely.
Yeah? And does that affect you in any way?
I get a rash most of the time.
She gets a rash most of the time. Okay.
Sensitive skin.
Sensitive skin, and you get a rash. So I think, don't you think it will be wise if these wonderful gentlemen over here who can make these decisions give us real jewelry for the shoot?
Sanjay bhai, please send some jewelry. No, I think they will send it. They'll send it to me. I don't know about you.
Sanjay, bolo, me too? Me too? Okay, great. Just as props. Of course.
We get to keep them also.
Yeah, we get to keep them, or if we don't get to keep them,
we can lose them and pretend that
we will lose them. You're smarter than your dad also, I tell you. So we'll lose them. So Sonam, fantastic. So we're going to get real jewelry for our shoots.
Yes.
And you will look more and more beautiful. And that Rolex watch will make me look very handsome, I tell you. Okay. One more question, Sonam, as far as diamonds are concerned.
Yeah.
Diamonds are a girl's best friend, as we all know. But do you think that diamonds should only be received or given as a token of love?
Absolutely.
So who has given you the most diamonds in your life?
Getting me into trouble, no, a little bit.
Tell us. Don't say daddy, because that's not going to wash away.
No, I'm not going to say. Actually, you know what? I love myself the most. I always buy myself diamonds.
I love you so much, Sonam, but you're a liar. Complete lies.
I'm fine. Obviously you want to receive diamonds from someone you love, but at the same time, I think as a modern day, today's girl, it's nice to buy your own diamonds sometimes and make yourself feel special.
That's a very independent thought, ladies and gentlemen. The women over here will be very, very proud of what she has to say. A big round of applause for our very own ambassador, Sonam Kapoor. God bless you.
Congratulations for all the winners, and thank you for having me. Good evening, everybody.
No one's won yet, darling.
But whoever wins.
All the nominees?
Yes.
Okay, I'll tell them. So you have a wonderful evening, darling.
Thank
you so much. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Give it a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. All right, now it's time for our most...
It is the most abrasive element in the movie.
Just two questions.
One She's getting late for
हाँ मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ to be associated with this, and I'm glad to be a part of it. Now I'm getting very late, but thank you so much. Thank you.
ये बड़ा ना यार, तो भी आप
ठीक है ना। हमारे जो हमारी जो सोना है, जो हमारा जो सोना और चांदी है, वो हमारा देश है और देश के नागरिक हैं। ये व्यापार करते हैं और इनको हम मुबारकबाद देते हैं कि इन्होंने हिंदुस्तान को अव्वल नंबर में ला कर रखा है, ख़ास तौर पे हीरों की ट्रेड में।
और खास करके बॉलीवुड और गेमर क्रिकेट के बारे में मानना जाता है तो गोल्डन और सिल्वर की कुछ ज़्यादा मायने रखते हैं, क्योंकि जो सेट होता है सिल्वर के अंदर लगता है, गोल्डन के लगते हैं। तो आप रियल में खरीदने के क्या मानते हैं कि क्या
मुझे आपके सवाल का मुझे समझ नहीं आया।
हिंदुस्तान के अंदर गोल्डन और सिल्वर एक
नहीं, वो सभी चाहते हैं कि सोना, क्योंकि लोग देखिए ये हमारी परंपरा रही है, हमारी सभ्यता है, हमारी संस्कृति है। ये सभी परिवार के लोग चाहते हैं कि शादियों में सोना देना, तो इसलिए फिर खरीदारी भी होती है। और आज के दिन भी आपको मालूम है कि गोल्ड बहुत इम्पोर्ट हो रहा है, क्योंकि जब थोड़ी मंदी होती है तो परिवार चाहते हैं कि गोल्ड सोने में इन्वेस्ट किया जाए, ताकि क्योंकि एक वो ऐसी चीज़ है जिसकी कभी गिरावट नहीं होती।
तो जाते जाते एक सवाल कि आज गोल्डन का इतना रेट हो गया तो हिंदुस्तान के बारे में आम लोगों के लिए खरीदना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया।
हम तो आप वित्त मंत्री ने, प्रधानमंत्री ने ये बात कही है कि जो चाहत है सोना लेने की, अगर थोड़ी कमती होगी तो हमारा जो करंट अकाउंट डेफिसिट है वो भी कम हो जाएगा।